Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building something a little different here, and we're going to be building this Trackmobile rail car mover. And this is a small vehicle which is used to move around small cuts of freight cars, usually within an industry where the company wouldn't necessarily want to pay the railroad to have a locomotive come out just to move a small amount of cars. And this is also a high railer in that it can go on the rails or the road. It's just a small little thing here, and this is what it looks like. So let's get into it. So I'm going to have mine coupled to these spine cars here. So I'll take a dark oak stair and attach that up for the coupler. Then up here on the stair, we're going to put a lectern facing this way. Then we're going to take out some polished deep slate wall, and we're going to come on the bottom middle underneath the lectern, and we're going to put one wall under the lectern and then another one coming back in the center. Then we're going to stand on this wall, and we're going to put an inward facing dragon head on each rail for the rail wheels here. So it looks like this. Then we're going to take out polished black stone brick slab on the upper hitbox of the bottom, put two in the middle like this, then a block of coal here and here. Then behind this on the upper hitbox, a 3x3 of black stone brick slabs. Then a slab in the middle here, and a block of coal here and here for the other road wheels. Then one more slab in the middle, then two polished deep slate walls in the middle. Stand on this inner wall, and we'll put an inward facing dragon head here and here for the rail wheels at this end. Then we'll take out a lectern here, and we're going to put one on this wall on the end, and then get a dark oak stair on the second layer right here for the coupler at this end. Under this coupler, put a sideways dark oak vent skate, then come to this one and put a dark oak vent skate under the coupler at this end. Then we're going to turn this way and put a vent skate here and one on this side here. Repeat it at this end, so one vent skate here and one vent skate right here. Then we're going to take out anvils, come on top up here. We're going to put two sideways anvils right here, and then two on this end right here. Then we're going to put an outward facing blast furnace on top of this block of coal, and one on this side, and an anvil between them. Copy it down here, so an anvil in the middle and an outward facing blast furnace on either side. Then on this outer edge, 3 cauldrons here, 3 cauldrons here. Now we'll come through and put an item frame on each block of coal with a block of gold in them. Do the same thing on this side, so an item frame on each of these coal blocks with a gold block on the item frames. Then we're going to take oak stairs. We're going to come right here, aligned with the dragon head, and we need 2 oak stairs up on the second and third layer like that. Then same thing aligned with this dragon head, so 2 on the second and third layer. Then repeat it here, so 2 on the second and third layer here, and one more corner to go. Do the same thing right here. Then we'll come up on this end here and come 5 wide with yellow concrete across here. Then 1 on each outer corner, here and here. Then a yellow stained glass pane here and here, and then put a skeleton skull on each of these yellow concretes. Then right here on this outer edge, come all the way across here with yellow concrete, and all the way across this side. Then we'll come 5 blocks across the end here, then 1 in this corner, 1 in this corner, a yellow stained glass pane here and here, and a skeleton skull here and here. Now take black wool, and we're going to fill this whole top middle all in 3 wide with black wool. Then on the front of it, on this right hand side, we're going to start right here with cyan stained glass pane. And we're going to go 3 wide right here. Then come on this side, and we're going to come back another 2 of stained glass panes right here. Then 2 yellow concrete. Then we'll swing around to behind it, put 1 yellow concrete here, 2 here, and 2 stained glass panes right here. In the front of this, put a vent skate, then turn around and put a stair here for the seat. Then we're going to raise up all this cyan stained glass another block, and we're going to come one block over the yellow concrete on each side. Then a yellow concrete in each back corner and a stained glass pane in the middle back here. Then copy that up again, and then bring your stained glass pane up to the front and around in another layer here. Then we're going to take out string and put string in all these top middle blocks between the glass. And that will allow us to put carpet up here, and we're going to go 3 wide with yellow carpet starting on the back of this cab. And we're going to bring it 1 block before the front of this window. And on the very front, just 1 carpet in the center. Now come on this side behind the cab, and we're going to put 3 sideways grindstones on this outer edge right here. Then behind it, 3 black stone brick walls. Then on this other side of it, we're going to put 3 grindstones, but aligned the other way this time. So 3 going this way. Then right here, 3 anvils. On the back of the anvils, put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then right here, 3 black stone brick walls. Then we're going to cover this behind the cab, 3 wide with black stone brick slabs up here. Except we're going to leave this one open. And on it, we're going to put a column of 2 deep slate brick walls. And on top of that, another brick fence for the smokestack. Then we're going to take out oak fences. And we're going to come on either side of these stairs here. And we're going to put a column of 2 fences coming down on each side of the stair. Do the same thing for these front stairs, 2 here, 2 here. Then we repeat it on this other side. So 2 here, 2 here, 1 more corner to go, 2 here, and 2 here. Then we're going to come on top, and we're going to add 1 fence on top here and here, then 1 on this center right here, then 1 here, then 2 fence gates here and here of oak. Then we'll add a fence here, then 1 on top here and here. Here, 1 fence here and here. Then go to oak fence gates. We're going to put 2 sideways fence gates here. Then right here, we're going to open a birch trap door like this. Then we'll crouch, and we're going to put a row of sideways oak fence gates across this level here, down to this fence at the back. Just like that. Now take out some black carpet, and we're going to put 1 on top here and here. Then behind this stair, a line of black carpet down here. Then 1 on top here and here. Then up here, we're going to put a skeleton skull on each of these corners of the cab. Then on this center, put a black stone button, then 1 here and 1 here. Come to the back, put a black stone button here, 1 on the center back here, and 1 here. Then right here, we're going to put a birch sign, and on this corner, a dark oak sign. Then 3 black stone buttons in the middle. Copy it on this side. So right here, we'll do a birch sign. Right here, a dark oak sign. 3 black stone buttons in the middle. Then we're going to put a dark oak sign here, and 2 black stone buttons above it. Then we'll come to this side, and we'll put 2 black stone buttons here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Trackmobile rail car mover here. Something a little bit different for today. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.